Good evening. We are going to make today chicken REZALA. Quite very interesting this video. So I just introduce you ingredients, what you need. I already marinated chicken 1 kg with yogurt and ginger garlic paste. Some chili paste is here. I have here all whole spices. I have a cashew nut and pomi seed grind, ginger garlic paste and onion paste. Have a garam masala. Have a cumin seed powders and melted butter and some black pepper. Need some oil for cooking. So please keep watch this video and very good dish, and we'll see you in the after this video. So you can see that we are going to put first refined oil. If you want to, you can put any oil. So you can see that onion paste is get very brown. So first make sure have two onions very brown. Then we'll put ginger garlic paste. I'll let them to cook few seconds, few minutes. Then we put pomegranate seed and cashew nut paste. We are going to put salt right now as a taste. Then put cumin seed powder. Then put garam masala. Black peppers. Some put melted butter. Finally, we are going to put chicken, marinated chicken. Finally, we are going to put milk. We are not going to put any water. Quite very rich food. And then let them to cook until chicken gets soft. You can see that after 15 to 20 minutes, we cooked on the slow fire, and our chicken REZALA is ready. Finally, our chicken REZALA is ready. That recipes, try at your home. It is very simple. And let me know in the comment box if you have any suggestion. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another videos. Thank you very much.